Okay, so this miscellaneous exercise, at each and every topic we have this miscellaneous exercise which covers all the concepts which we have already studied, covered in the same topic. Okay, so this topic mainly talks about the geometry progression. The arithmetic progression you have already studied in your lower classes. So in this mainly we will be focusing on, in this topic we will be focusing on the geometric progression, harmonic progression, what is the sum of the first n terms of GP, infinite terms of a GP, then what is the nth term of a GP, and so on. After that we have seen the three important means, that is the arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and the harmonic mean, the relation between them. Okay, so GP we have studied the HP, we have seen the AM, GM, and HM. What is the relation between these three? That is G square is equals to A into H. सांगितलं होतं तुम्हाला गणपती घरी आले आहेत, गणपती घरी आले आहेत. Okay, this is like you have to remember. And after that we have seen the power series, in which we have covered the exponential series, e raised to x, logarithmic series 1 plus x, then sin x, then cos x. This I have given some extra series for you. Then we have seen this important notation of sigma, that is r is equals to 1 to n, and you have some function of r here. Okay, and after that we have seen the standard series, that is the sum of first n natural numbers, sum of squares of first n natural numbers, sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. Okay, so all you new students, please do not worry, we'll be covering all these topics in detail again for you people. So please go through this exercise very thoroughly, and if you have doubt we'll have one more revision class only for you people. Is it okay? Yes or no? Okay, very good. So without any further delay, let's start with the first class. So first question, see what this question is all about. The common ratio of GP is what? It is 0.12, 0.24, 0.48 is. Okay, so first of all let's understand what is GP. So this is the revision class, so for you people. So what is the GP? It is the geometric progression, and it any series AP, though it is AP, though it is HP, though it is GP, it starts with A. That is the first term of our any progression. A, the next term will be AR, the third term will be AR square, fourth term will be AR cube, dot dot dot. See here, this is the first term, it is a T1, it is T2, it is T3, it is T4. See, for the fourth term you have r ka power 3, for third term you have r square, for second term you have r to the power 1. So your r power is what? 1 less than the nth term. So your Tn will be what? It is a r to the power n minus 1. Okay, and how you get the common ratio? This r is known as a common ratio. Okay, so this r is always calculated as T2 by T1. So it is T2 by T1. So AR by A, if you do, so AA cancel, so we get R. So this is nothing but the common ratio in any GP. So first question we will be looking at. What is the common ratio of GP they are asking? See, it is the first T1, it is T2, it is T3 and so on. So how you find out the common ratio R? R is equals to what? It is a T2 by T1 always. So what is T2? It is 0.24 divided, what is T1? 0.12. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट, ये देखो भाई डेसिमल पॉइंट तो सेम डिजिट्स के बाद है, यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट के बाद है, यहाँ पे भी 2 डिजिट के बाद है. सो वी कैन डायरेक्टली कैंसिल आउट बाय 2. सो आर कितना आ गया बॉस? आर आ गया मेरा 2. सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट. इज इट ओके? नेक्स्ट second question. The 10th term of the geometric sequence is, see here, I have written the geometric sequence here. This is our master geometric sequence. This is our master sequence. Okay. See, the second term you are writing, the third term you are writing as a r square. मतलब यहाँ इथे 3 आहे तर इथे 2 आला, इथे 4 आहे तर इथे 3 आला, इथे n आहे तर इथे n minus 1 आला हो. So the Sonia will tell me what will be the 10th term. What will be the 10th term? That is T10 is equals to, how you write? Sonia, how you write T10? Sonia ji, Saili, हाँ, T10 is equals to, no. See, this is our term. This is our term. You are asking for 10th term. So substitute n is equals to 10 here in this form. So it is a r to the power 10 minus 1, which is nothing but a r to the power 9. Is it okay? Okay. So they are asking for the 10th term of this geometry sequence. So I have already told you that the first term is always a. The first term is always a. So in this, what is the value of a is? It is 1 by 4. Is it okay? Then how you find out the r in the sequence? How you find out the r? It is always t2 by t1. So what is t2? This is my 1 by 2 is a t2. t1 is what? 1 by 4. So r is what? It is always t2 by t1. So minus 1 by 2 upon 1 by 4 to the power किती? To the power 9. Okay. So this is equals to 1 by 4. So ये cancel हो गया भाई 2 पे. So denominator का denominator becomes numerator. So minus 2 to the power 9. So this is equals to, see here, I am distributing this 2 to the power 9 in two forms. Either you can solve this in that way, or you can directly write down like this. Minus 2 to the power 9 divided by 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. Okay. So this is equals to, see here, I will take this minus 1 common to the power 9 and 2 to the power 9 upon 2 to the power 2 आहे तो त्याला वरती घेऊन it becomes 2 to the power minus 2. So it becomes minus 1 to the power 9, 2 to the power 9 minus 2 कितना आ गया भाई 7 आ गया. So माइनस का ऑड पावर इज ऑलवेज व्हॉट? इट इज निगेटिव्ह. निगेटिव्हचा ऑड पॉवर हा नेहमी निगेटिव्हच असतो. व्हॉट इज मायनस वनचा स्क्वेअर काय असतो? इट इज मायनस वन ओनली, सॉरी इट इज प्लस वन. व्हॉट इज मायनस वन का क्यूब? इट इज मायनस वन. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर the even power of negative number is always positive and odd power of negative number is always negative. Okay. So minus 1 to the power 9 is 2 raised to power 7. What is 2 raised to power 7 is? It is 128 and it is a minus 1 to power 9 है. So it should be negative only. So minus of 128 should be my answer. Is it okay? Is it okay everyone? Good. So if any one of you have doubt, please ask your doubts here only. So okay, wait for 1 minute. Okay, Sonia, Saili and Vaidahi. हेलो, समझ में आ रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा? हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा. No worries, you will get it, don't worry. Okay, so the correct option is what? It is option number C. And don't worry, I am recording this class only for you, and after this class I will be sending this video, whole video, so that you can watch this video any number of times. Okay? Okay. So the question number 3 we will be looking at. Question number 3. If a GP T6 by T3 is equals to 1458 upon 54, then what is the value of R? Okay, just write down this T6 and T3 in the general form. So come to this master series T6. आता मास्टर सिरीजला पुन्हा पुन्हा यायची गरज नाही, कारण आपल्याकडे ट्रिक्स आहेत. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट ट्रिक इज? सी हियर हाऊ यू राईट द T6. सी T6 is nothing but ए आर टू द पावर कितना आएगा? पावर यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 6 आहे तर 1 ने कमी होईल. आरचा पावर 5 झाला. ही हो गया अपना T6. हाऊ यू विल राइट T3? T3 is equals to what? हाँ ए आर चा पावर. व्हेरी गुड. सी दिस ए आर विल रिमेन सेम अँड ए आर त्याचा पावर किती येईल? 3चा 1 ने कमी होईल. ओके. सो दे आर गिविंग अस दैट T6 बाय T3. सो बाय कर दो यहाँ पे. क्या क्या होगा देखो यहाँ पे. सो इट इज T6 डिवाइडेड बाय T3. is equals to what? It is a 1458 divided by 54. Now a gets cancelled, r to the power 5 by r to the power 2. So if you take this numerator, it will be r to the power cube. ये हो गया r क्यूब बाकी, कारण इथे 5 r आहेत आणि खाली 2 r आहेत, ते 2 r कॅन्सल झाले, राहिले किती 3 r. So this is what r3. So r3 is equals to, so let's cancel out this. How you can cancel this? So it is, let's cancel by 3. So 3 एक 3, राहिले किती 2, 8 त्रिक 24, so 18. So my मराठी मीडियम हो, ठीक है. हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इट इज, 3 चौक 12 आएगा, 2 3 8 24, 1 3 संग 18. ओके, सो अगेन बाय 9 यू कैन टेक, 9 दूनी 18. हाँ बोलो भाई, 9 5 45, 4 3 उरले, 9 चौक 36, सो 54. सो 54 by 2, 54 by 2 कितना है? इट इज 27. Okay, see here what you are getting, r cube is equals to 27. Then what will be the value of r? Exactly, so r is equals to 3. देखो भाई ऑप्शन किधर है, ऑप्शन नंबर ए. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ओके, साइली, वैदई, okay, good. Next question number 4. Which term of the GP is 2048? Which term of the GP is 2048? अभी which term पूछा है, मतलब I don't know the value of n, that we have to find out. So question number 4 is, see how you can tackle these type of questions. So you don't know the value of n, so let's write that, let assume that this term is what, it is a nth term. Okay, so Tn is equals to a r to the power n minus 1. This is my general t nth term, and this is equals to 2048. ऐसा वो बोल रहा है, a r to the power n minus 1 is equals to 2048. I have to find out the value of n. Here this value we have to find out. What is the value of a in this sequence? Vaidai will tell me what is the value of a in this sequence. Vaidai, a is always, a is no, Vaidai, please, Vaidai will tell us, definitely she will tell us. Vaidai, हाँ, a is always first term. Yes, very good, a is always first term, remember. Okay, so a becomes 1, so 1 r to the power n minus 1, it is equals to 2048. So means what, r to the power n minus 1 is equals to 2048, and the power of 2 is what, that is a 2 raised to power 10. You know it is always 1024. This is the standard one, 2 raised to power 10 you have to remember, because this we will be requiring in many of the questions. So 2 raised to power 10 is always 1024. Okay, so 1024 and 2048 मतलब क्या है भाई, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो आप. If you multiply this by 2, you will get 2048. Means what, you are multiplying by 2 here, means you have to multiply by 2 here also, means 2 raised to power 11 becomes 2048. Yes or no? 2 raised to power 11 becomes 2048. Is it okay? Means what, r to the power n minus 1 is equals to 2048, and 2 to the power 11 is equals to 2048. So can I equate these two LHS? That is r raised to power n minus 1 is equals to 2 raised to power 11. And if you see here in this sequence, the question number 4, what is the value of r? It is t2 by t1, that is second term by first term, that is 2 by 1. This becomes my r. Okay, so r becomes 2. So let's have that 2 here. 2 raised to power n minus 1 is equals to 2 raised to power 11. As the bases are same, you can equate the index. So which is equals to n minus 1 is equals to 11. So n कितना गया बॉस? n आ गया मेरा 12. स्वप्निल, is it okay? अभिषेक, अथर्व, साक्षांत, निकिता जे, प्रणीता के, निकिता एस, वेरी गुड, गुड गुड. थोडासा रिव्हिजन टाइप ऑफ क्लास आहे हे, अँड इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. सो कुठला ऑप्शन बरोबर आ गया? विच ऑप्शन नंबर इज n इज इक्वल्स टू 12? So option number C is correct. The n becomes my 12. Okay, so let's see the question number 5 here again. Don't worry, I will be sharing this whole sheet with you. After this class I will be sharing whole sheet with you. Okay, so let's see the question number 5. If the common ratio of GP is 5, so what this common ratio means? What is this common ratio means? See, come back to this our standard GP. What is the common ratio here? You see, that is the R. R is what? It is the common ratio. So उन्होंने R की वैल्यू दे दी है. So this is R is equals to 5. R is equals to 5. They have given us here. And T fifth term is what? 1875. That is T5 is equals to 1875. They have mentioned. What we have to find out? First term. First term means Vaidehi. First term means what we have to find out? A. Excellent, very good, very good. Now you are getting these concepts. Okay, so let's write down the question here. So fifth question, what they are given is R is equals to 5. So R is equals to 5. T5 is equals to 1875. Okay, and we have to find out the value of A. A is equals to what they have given. Okay, so अभी कैसा करने का भाई? जाधव, के जाधव, कुशल ना, कुणाल जाधव. So how you will do this? You write down T5. So what you know in this question? You know the T5. Okay, so how you write T5? T5 is equals to A R to the power कितना आएगा? एक्सलेंट, व्हेरी गुड. इथे 5 आहे तर इथे 4 येणार आहे. ठीक आहे, आता सगळे दिलेले आहे तुमच्याकडे. R माहिती आहे, A काढायचं आहे आणि T5 माहिती आहे. ठीक आहे, R ची व्हॅल्यू टाकून द्या इथे. A काढायचं, सो A विल बी ॲज इट इज. R कितना आहे भाई? 5 आहे. 5 to the power 4 and this is equals to 1875. So only thing is what? Now you have to divide by 5 raised to power 4 to this 1875. Is it okay, Kunal? Okay, so how you will write this? See, do not open this 5 raised to power 4. अभी एग्जाम में 5 raised to power 4 करते मत बैठो, because see here 18. Okay, so I will be write in detail. A is equals to what? 1875 whole divided by 5 raised to power 4 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so कैंसिल कर दो अभी. ये 5 कितीला गेले हो? 5 त्रिक 15, 3 उरले, 5 सत्ते 35, 2 उरले, 5 5 25. ओके, मराठी मीडियम. सो 5 अजून एकदा जाईल, 5 और एक बार जाएगा, 5 सत्ते 35, 2 उरले, 5 5 25. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट? 75 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इंटू 5 कितना गया भाई? 25. सो 75 by 25 कितना गया? इट इज 3. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ A? किधर है, किधर है, किधर है, किधर? इधर है. सो दिस इज माय ऑप्शन, ऑप्शन नंबर A. ओके, आता हे एक्सप्लेन करून सांगतोय तर एवढा वेळ लागतोय, एवढा वेळ लागायला नाही पाहिजे आपल्याला. वन्स यू मास्टर इन दिस टॉपिक सिक्वेन्स अँड सिरीज, just by looking the options you will be getting the correct option. In the CET, JEE, during those classes you will get the shortcut tricks. Is it okay? So let's see the question number 6. Okay, come back to this question number 6. क्या बोल रहा है ये? The sum of 3 terms of GP is 21/4 and their product is 1. Then the common ratio is what? Okay, so let's write down that question. Sum of the GP, sum of कितना टर्म्स है? 3 terms of GP is 21/4. Sum of 3 terms of GP is equals to 21/4. Okay, and their product is 1, and their product of 3 terms of GP is what? 1. Then the common ratio is what? Okay, they are asking for the common ratio. See, during the class what I told you, we have taken some notes there. Okay, मी तुम्हाला एक नोट सांगितलं होतं. See, whenever you are considering the three terms of a GP, and if the product is given, then those three terms you have to consider as A, AR and A by R. So these are the three terms you have to consider while finding out the product or sum. Because see here, when you take product na, your R gets cancelled here. That's why taking these three terms as a GP will be very helpful in the solving these type of questions. See here, आता तुम्ही म्हणाल की सर हेच का घेतलं, बघा इथे कारण त्यांनी बघा क्वेश्चनमध्ये काय दिले, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थ्री टर्म्स ऑफ जीपी इज व्हॉट, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 दिलाय. सो द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ these three term you take a by r into a into ar, this is equals to 1 they have mentioned. Okay, so r gets cancelled, so what you get, a cube is equals to 1 implies a is equals to 1 only. Okay, but instead of, if you take the three terms like this, ar and ar square, if you take these three terms, then only no problem, you will get the answer, but it will take near about 10 minutes. Okay, अभी इसका प्रोडक्ट मतलब क्या हो गया भाई, a cube and r cube, a cube r cube is equals to 1 आ गया, means what, ar to the power cube is equals to 1 implies ar is equals to 1. Here extra r की value we don't know, that we have to find out using the second statement. Okay, so that's why it's always recommended that whenever they give you the question like this, the three terms of a GP, then we have to consider the terms like a by r, a and ar. These are the, take a note of this. Okay, so whenever I send this PDF, you take a note of this, take your own notes, a by r, a and ar. So these are the three terms of a GP. So यहाँ से a की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई बॉस, a 1 आ गई, बट व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग, दे आर आस्किंग फॉर द, क्या पूछ रहा हो, कॉमन रेशियो r विचार लेते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द r नाउ. Okay, so three terms, sum of the three terms, so let's find out the sum of the three terms. So it is sum is equals to, so how you will write the sum, it is a by r plus a plus ar, it is equals to what, 21 by 4. So let's substitute the value of a here, so it becomes 1 by r plus 1 plus 1 r, which is equals to 21 by 4. Okay, so multiply by or on r on both side. So what you will get, it is r, sorry, it will be 1 plus r square, it is equals to 21 by 4 into r. I am multiplying r on both side. इकडे r ने multiply केला आणि इकडे पण r ने multiply केला. So this r gets cancelled for the first term into r, and r into r becomes r square. I hope it is okay. Okay, so next what to do, multiply throughout equation by 4, or you can take this 4 on this side. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, 4 plus 4r plus 4r square, it is equals to 21r. Okay, so 4r square, now take this 21 on this side, minus कितना आ गया भाई, हाँ 17, so it is 17r plus 4, it is equals to 0. Okay, so what will be the roots, yes, who will tell me what will be the roots? Swapnil, I want the product as a 16 and the addition as a minus 17, so the roots will be what, excel, minus 16 minus 1 will be the factors. Okay, so 4r square minus 16r minus 1r plus 4 equals to 0. So you take r 4r common from the first term, so it will be r minus 4, you take minus 1 common, r minus 4, which is equals to 0. Okay, just I am finding the roots of this quadratic equation, याचे roots काढते हैं. Okay, कितना आ गया फिर ये, 4r minus 1 and it is r minus 4, it is equals to 0. So r is equals to, from this what you can conclude, either first term 4r minus 1 is equals to 0, or r minus 4 this is equals to 0. So from this r is equals to what, 1 by 4, from this r is equals to what, 4. Okay, so these are the two possible values of r for the given question. So let's check which option is satisfying this condition. 1 by 4 or 4? 1 by 4 or 4? क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है. अरे एक्सेलेंट यार, तुम पीपल है ना, तुम लोग एकदम एक्सेलेंट हो. यू पीपल आर वेरी वेरी गुड. ओके, वेरी स्मार्ट. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस गिवन क्वेश्चन. Okay, so for those students who are new, maybe you feel this is very difficult, but ये कुछ नहीं, हम लोगों ने LKG UKG से यही पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, how to factorize the given quadratic equation. Don't worry, again and again if you go through this video you will get your doubts cleared. So question number next, is it okay everyone? Sonia, is it okay? Okay. Sakshant, is it okay? Kunal, Shalaka, बर. ओके, सो कोणाला डाऊट असेल तर प्लीज यू रेज युअर डाउट्स हियर अँड वी विल सॉल्व युअर डाउट हियर ओनली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन. तो क्या दिया है भाई? सम टू द इन्फिनिटी ऑफ जीपी इज जीपी 5 minus 5 by 2, 5 by 4 minus 5 by 8 and 5 by 16. See, this is nothing but the GP they have given. Question number 7 is what? They have given a GP. And sum to the infinity पूछा है. Sum to the infinity means what? What is the formula for sum to the infinity, boss? Question number 7 we will solve here. Question number 7. What is the sum to the infinity? It is, yes. Who will tell me sum to the infinity? It is a by 1, a by r minus 1 nahi na boss. Sum to the infinity means what? Your infinity, your r value should be, yes, r value should be less than 1 only. If r is less than 1, you have to subtract r from 1. Please remember, Swapnil. S infinity means a by 1 minus r. Is it okay, Swapnil? कारण बघा ना यार, हे इन्फिनिटी, सम टू द इन्फिनिटी जर r इज लेस दॅन 1 असेल तरच पॉसिबल आहे. इफ सपोज युअर r इज ग्रेटर दॅन 1 ना, युअर सम टू द इन्फिनिटी विल डेफिनेटली आन्सर विल बी इन्फिनिटी ओनली. कारण हे आपण इन डिटेल क्लासमध्ये बघितलं. कारण वेन एव्हर युअर r इज लेस दॅन 1 ना, युअर r टू द पॉवर इन्फिनिटी बिकम्स 0. approximately r to the power infinity becomes 0. That's why we write down directly a by 1 minus r. Please make a note of this, everyone. Okay, so whenever r is less than 1, then only your infinity, s to the infinity is possible. So your formula is a by 1 minus r. So let's find out the given parameters in this GP. काय काय दिले बघा. So let's find out the parameters. I want a and r. So वैदही will tell me, वैदही नको आता, वैदहीचं खूप झाले. Sonia will tell me what is a in this case. Sonia, a is always first term. Remember, a is always first term. Sonia, what is the value of a? In this question number 7, what is the value of a is? Yes, it is 5. Excellent, very good. Okay, so this becomes my a. Can you please tell me what is the value of r then? R is what? It is always t2 by t1. What is t2? t2 किती आहे आपल्याकडे? -5 by 2. This is my t2. Okay, r तो आ गया वही, a is equals to 5 आ गया अपने पास, a is equals to 5. Okay, now r is equals to, it is t2 by t1 always. t2 किती है? -5 by 2. This is my t2. And what is t1? This is my 5. This is first term, second term. t1 t2 means what? These are the number of terms. Half first है t1, half second है t2. Is it okay, Sonia? Okay, so -5 by 2 by 5. So r becomes what? It is -5 by 2 upon 5. t2 by t1. Rajeshri, are you there? समझते का हो? Okay, so r is equals to, it is minus 5/2 by 5. Okay, so it 5 gets cancelled, so कितना आ गया भाई, -1/2 आ गया. So r आ गया -1/2 and a आ गया मेरा 5. See, r is what, it is less than 1. That's why. Okay, so let's substitute the value here. Sonia, is it okay? Okay, so a कितना आ गया भाई, a is what, 5 divided by 1 minus r कितना था, -1/2 था. So it is equals to 5 upon 1 minus plus 1/2, which is equals to 5 upon 1 plus 1/2 becomes 3/2. That is cross multiplication केलं तर हे काय होईल, 1 plus 1/2. हे आय होप हे सगळ्यांना येतं. It is 2 plus 1 upon 2, which is nothing but 3/2 only. ठीक आहे, हे 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 असं आलं हां, 3/2. So denominator का denominator becomes numerator. So it is 5 by 3/2 means what, it is 10/3. That is, ये ऊपर चला गया बॉस, ये 2 वाला ऊपर चला गया 5 के साथ. So 5 into 2 becomes 10. So 10/3. So which option is correct? 10/3. Which option is correct? Option number C. She. Okay, so option number C is correct. Is it okay? We are not Rajnikant. New students, please remember that we are not Rajnikant. ओके, की आपल्याला पूर्ण बघितलं आपल्याला लगेच समजायला पाहिजे असं नाही आहे. दिस इज नॉट द केस. ओके, सो आता मी हे एक्सप्लेन केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला 50-60% समजेलच नक्की. वन्स अगेन इफ यू गो थ्रू दिस व्हिडिओ, नो डाऊट 100% तुमचे डाऊट्स क्लिअर होतील. इफ स्टील यू हॅव डाऊट्स, यू हॅव माय नंबर, यू कॅन पोस्ट युअर डाऊट्स टू मी. विल बी सॉल्विंग दोज डाऊट्स हियर. Okay, so let's see the question number 8 again. So question number 8, the 10th term of HP is, अभी HP आ गया. GP के सब क्वेश्चंस खत्म हो गए, अभी HP के पास आएंगे हम लोग. Okay, so HP is what, 2/9, 1/7, 2/19, 1/12. Okay, so what we'll do, I will write down these questions downside. ये बहुत गड़बड़ हो गया यहाँ पे, खिचड़ी हो गया पूरा. So let's take those questions downside. Okay, so this is my question number 8. The term of the HP, the 10th term of the HP पूछा है. So this is my HP, 2/9, 1/7. What is HP, boss? Who will tell me what is HP? Pranita K will tell me what is HP. हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन. कसं असतं सिक्वेन्स हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशनचा? हाऊ यू नो दॅट गिवन सिक्वेन्स इज हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन? ओके, सो whenever, yes, वेरी गुड, इन्वर्स करो उसका. ठीक है, इफ यू हैव गिवन एच पी, उसका सिर्फ आपको इन्वर्स लेना है एंड उसका इन्वर्स जो रहेगा वो एपी में रहेगा डेफिनेटली. सो टेक द इन्वर्स ऑफ दीज गिवन नंबर्स. ओके, so HP, sorry, AP. So AP will be, okay, I will write in detail. So the given sequence is in HP. Therefore inverse of these terms, inverse of all terms will be in AP. So write down the inverse here. So AP कितना गया बॉस? इट इज 9/2. पहला टर्म 2/9 है तो उसका उल्टा करो, 9/2 हो गया. कॉमा 1/7 है तो उसका 7/1 आ गया. नेक्स्ट 19/2, नेक्स्ट इज 12/1 एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. सो दिस इज व्हाट इन, दिस इज इन AP. ओके, सो इन दिस AP व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म? फर्स्ट टर्म इज ऑलवेज A. Okay, so A is first term, so write down A is first term, which is 9/2. So for AP, how you find the AP? In the AP, the common difference is same. This is the common difference, that is a T2 by T1. So D is equals to, you take T2 minus T1 by nahi, it is minus, subtraction. The difference between any two consecutive terms should be same, then only we say the given sequence is in AP. Okay, so what is T2 in this case? T2 is what, 7/1, and what is T1? It is 9/2 minus 9/2. So this is my T2. आता याला सिम्प्लिफाय कसं करता? फर्स्ट टर्मला डिवाइड बाय अँड मल्टिप्लाय बाय 2 करा. सो 7 into 2 by 1 into 2. मायनस 9/2. मी डिनॉमिनेटर सेम करून घेतोय किंवा तुम्ही एलसीएम घेऊ शकता, नो वरीज, वन एंड द सेम थिंग. सो ये कितना हो गया भाई 14/2 माइनस 9/2, तो कितना आ गया 14 माइनस 9 कितना गया बॉस, ये 5. सो इट इज 5/2. ओके, this is a 5/2. So what is this? This is nothing but the common difference D of the given AP. But what they are asking? They are asking for the 10th term of HP. So let's find out the 10th term of AP first. Okay, so 10th term of AP is equals to what? Yes, Abhishek, what is the 10th term of AP? Abhishek, what is the 10th term of AP? n-1d, n-9 नाही, n-1d. मग यांची व्हॅल्यू किती आपल्याकडे 10 आहे. सी T10 आपण जीपी मध्ये कसं लिहितो, a r⁴ लिहितो की नाही. इथे 10 होता तर इथे 9 केला. सेम तसंच करायचं, फक्त इथे प्लस करायचं. सो T10 मध्ये काय होईल, a प्लस 10 आहे तर इथे 9 लिहा, मग डायरेक्टली यू राईट डाऊन d. T100 काय होईल, T100 विल बी व्हॉट, a प्लस 99d. इथे 100 आहे तर इथे 99 येईल. ओके, इज इट ओके, गुड, ठीक है. ओके, सो यू सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज नाउ. सो ए कितना आ गया भाई, ए आ गया मेरा 9/2 प्लस 9 इंटू डी कितना है, इट इज 5/2. ओके, सो 9/2 प्लस 9×45/2, सो 45 प्लस 9 becomes 54/2, which is nothing but 27. See, this 27 is what? It is the 10th term of AP. Then 10th term of HP काय होईल, इसका उल्टा. So it is 1 inverse of T10 of AP. Okay, so which is nothing but 1/27. Which option is correct? 1/27. Which option is correct? Option number A. See, this option is correct. 1/27 is the 10th term of HP. So throughout what we have done in this question is, they have given the question of HP, so we have converted into AP, we have found the T10, and again we came back to the HP. AP मध्ये घेतला, मग त्याच्यावरून आपण T10 काढला AP चा, मग त्याला इन्व्हर्स केला, T10 HP चा भेटला. इज इट ओके केतकी, इज इट ओके? Very good, excellent. Okay, so last two questions are remaining, so we will solve those two questions and we'll stop here. So the question number 9, a very important question. Okay, हे एवढं करायची गरज नाहीये. You will directly tell me what is the answer to this question number 9. Who will tell me what is the answer to the question number 9? Which of the following is not true बोला है, not true, huh? Not true. So where, yes, very good, you people are very excellent. Okay, see, this is what it is, the arithmetic mean. A is equals to a plus b by 2. Yes, it's correct. Okay, g is equals to root ab. ये तो directly standard formula है बस, h is equals to 2ab upon a plus b. This is only wrong. Then what is correct? If I want to correct this, what will be the correct answer here? Option number D काय असेल? G square is equals to a into h. गणपती घरी आले आहेत, G square is equals to a into h. Okay, so that would be your correct answer. So for this question, question number 9, option number D is what? It is the correct option. Correct option for not true. I hope it is okay. Okay, so let's find out the question number 10. So I will take this question number 10 here, copy, paste. Okay, so let's solve this question number 10 here. Okay, so what are the things they have given? They have given this geometric mean of the two numbers exceeds their HM by 6/5. The AM exceeds the GM by 3/2. The two numbers are. See, these type of questions you can solve in two ways. One is total formula based and another is the reverse calculation. Means you have to find out the answer with the help of options. Okay, so formula based is what? Formula based, how you will do formula based? The GM of two numbers exceeds their HM by 6/5. Means what? सो GM इज इक्वल्स टू हाँ HM प्लस 6/5. GM मोटा है ना, GM ऑफ टू नंबर्स एक्सीड्स देयर HM, सो GM बड़ा हो गया. सो GM इज इक्वल्स टू HM से 6/5 से बड़ा है वो. So that's why this becomes my first equation. The AM exceeds the GM by 3/2. You know that AM exceeds the GM by 3/2. So GM is equals to 3/2. Okay. So this is the case. So these are the two equations they have given. You solve these two equations, you will get the answer. Okay. And for this solving this, you have to make a help. You have to take the help of this. G square is equals to A into H. Okay. So another method is what? Find out the AM, GM and HM of these three or of these four numbers. So A चा AM, GM, HM काढा, B चा काढा, C चा काढा आणि D चा काढा, and let's verify that which option is satisfying the given condition. Okay. Okay. So for this, what we'll do? I will take randomly. Let's say the first option. So the first option is what? It is 6 and 15/2. So let's take option number A. So 6 and 15/2 है. So first of all you find out the arithmetic mean of these two numbers, which is 6 plus 15/2 by 2, that is A plus B by 2. So this is equals to कितना आ गया बॉस? This becomes 12 plus 15 whole by 2 upon 2. So 2 cancel. So ये आ गया बरी 15 दूनी 30 म्हणजे हे 28 सॉरी 27. So it is 27. So arithmetic mean of the A option is 27. Okay. Then find out their harmonic mean. Harmonic mean means what? H is equals to 2AB upon A plus B. 2AB upon A plus B. So 2 into A value is what? It is 6. B कितना है? 15/2 upon A plus B is what? 6 plus 15/2. Okay. Is it okay? So this is equals to, see here, this 2 and 2 cancel. राहिलं काय? 6 into 15. So 6 into 15 whole divided by नीचे कितना है बॉस? ये 6 means it is 12. 12 plus 15 which is 27. 27 divided by 2. Okay. So you take this 2 in the numerator. So it is 6 into 15 into 2 divided by 27. 3 9 27. 3 दोनी 6. Okay. So 3 5 15 आणि हे 3 त्रिक 9. सो ऊपर कितना आ गया बॉस? ये आ गया 5 दूनी 10 दूनी 20. सो इट इज 20/3. ये आ गया मेरा 20/3. हार्मोनिक मीन इज 20/3 एंड अरिथमेटिक मीन इज 27. सो लेट्स चेक whether the first statement is satisfying or not. Okay, so for first statement we want GM and HM. Okay, and here we have the AM. So let's find out the geometric mean. Let's find out the geometric mean. So G is equals to what? It is a root of AB, A into B, which is equals to root of A कितना है? 16 15 by 2, which is nothing but 90. So it is 15 into 6 15 75 90. So it is 90/2. So G square कितना आ गया? G square आ गया मेरा 90/2. I hope it is clear. Is it okay? Okay, see, G आ गया मेरा 90. Okay, so I will not take this G here. So let's keep this here only. So take G square is equals to what? It is 90/2 only. So square and square root cancel. Now let's verify that G square is equals to A into H आहे का? If that is true, then your option number A is correct. Okay, so let's verify. G square is equals to A into H. We have to verify this. So G square कितना है? 90/2. A कितनी है वो? 27. Okay. H कितना है? 20/3. Okay. See here, definitely it is not true, because if you look at the denominator, ये किती झाले हो? 3 9 27. ओके, आणि हे गेले 45 ला. सो 45 इज इक्वल्स टू कितना आ रहा है? बस ये 180 आ रहा है. इज इट ओके? 45 एंड 180 सेम असतं का? नसतं. मीन्स व्हाट? योर ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज रॉन्ग. ये तो हो गया अपना ये वाला मेथड. मीन्स हाउ यू आई एम showing you how you can tackle the question with the help of options also. Okay, the next statement or the option you have to solve the question is what? G square is equals to a into h. You can take any one of these. So let's take the option number C here. So 3 and 12. Let's find out this 3 and 12. AM, GM and HM for this. So let's take option number C, 3 comma 12. So A arithmetic mean is what? 3 plus 12 by 2, which is nothing but 15 by 2. What is G? It is root of 3 into 12, 36. 12 चौबीस 12 36 मीन्स कितना आ गया भाई? ये तो आ गया 6. ओके, देन फाइंड आउट द H, हार्मोनिक मीन ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स, दैट इज 2AB अपॉन A प्लस B. सो 2 इंटू A कितना है 3, B कितना है 12 अपॉन A प्लस B कितना आ गया 15 आ गया. ये 3 5 15 आ गया. ओके, सो इट बिकम्स 24 by 5. सो यूजिंग दीज 3 लेट्स वेरीफाई दैट G स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू A इंटू H आहे का. G कितना है 6, उसका स्क्वायर कितना आ गया 36. सो G स्क्वायर आ गया 36 इज इक्वल्स टू A इंटू H. A इज व्हाट 15 by 2. ओके, इंटू H कितना है? H इज 24 by 5. 24 by 5. ओके, सो ही गया 5 3 15 आणि हे गेले 12 ला. ओके, सो 12 into 3 is nothing but 36. See here, 36 is equals to 36. Means what? This is our correct answer. Option number C. These two numbers are what? 3 and 12. This is my correct answer. Okay, if you find this method is bit lengthy, definitely it is a what? Trial and error method. First of all, you are considering the option number A, then B, then C, then D. Okay, so instead of taking this approach, you take this approach, no worries. So we have solved 4 to 5 questions while we are in those respective exercises, that is GM and HM and AM. आणि ही मेथड मी सांगितली नव्हती म्हणून आता मी तुम्हाला ही मेथड एक्सप्लेन केली. ही मेथड आपण ऑलरेडी आपण एक्सरसाइज करताना सॉल्व केली आहे. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, प्लीज व्हेरीफाय दी ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट यूजिंग दिस मेथड, अवर रेग्युलर मेथड. इज इट ओके? So which option is correct is option number C. Is it okay everyone? Okay, okay, very good. Okay, so I will be sharing this sheet with you and I will be sharing this video also. Please go through that video and the sheet, go through all the questions and answers. Still if you have any doubt, please focus and please post your answer doubts to me. Is it okay everyone? Okay, Nikita S, Rajeshri, then Saili and Vaidai. These 4 students are new here. So I hope this class was fruitful for you, and no worries, we will be having much more fun in the coming classes. Thank you so much.